Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone, go to apps, I'm sorry, open the WhatsApp like this, and now on this page you will find the app informations. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. After you click on force stop, then you have to go into the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Go back again, click on the data usage, and make sure to enable all the network access options. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then you have to do one last thing, which is you have to open the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp right here, and you need to make sure to update it into the latest version by clicking on this option. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.